I've always been curious about how a small hydraulic jack can lift tons of cars. It turns out it operates based on Pascal's law. First, its main structure includes base, made of metal, providing a sturdy foundation. Hydraulic cylinder stores hydraulic oil, usually made of pressure-resistant materials. Inside, there is a cylinder where the piston moves upward when pressurized, which is the core component that lifts heavy objects. Oil pump contains a small piston connected to the handle, generating pressure to power the hydraulic oil. Piping transfers hydraulic oil from the reservoir to the cylinder and piston. It has a check valve to prevent backflow, pressure release valve. When you need to lower the load, this valve is opened to release the fluid, allowing the piston to retract. When in use, the handle is lifted, pushing hydraulic oil from the reservoir into the small piston chamber. Thanks to the check valve design, the hydraulic oil cannot flow back into the reservoir. As pressure is applied to the small piston, it pushes the oil into the hydraulic cylinder, causing fluid to flow towards the large piston. Again, due to the check valve, the hydraulic oil cannot flow backward. According to Pascal's law, the pressure transmitted is constant, so the large piston is pushed upward, creating the force needed to lift the load. When it's time to lower the load, you can slowly open the pressure release valve to control the return flow to the reservoir, allowing the jack to gradually lower. So, have you learned how it works?